If you're searching for the best mirror dash cam in 2025, you've landed in the right place. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 mirror dash cams that combine cutting-edge features, reliability, and value for money. We've considered performance, video quality, ease of use, durability, and real customer feedback. All product links are provided in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, AutoVox OEM Rear View Mirror Camera. The AutoVox OEM Mirror Dash Cam is a premium option designed to look like an original part of your vehicle. It comes with a 9.35-inch anti-glare laminated screen, providing crystal clear visuals in any lighting condition. One of its biggest highlights is the detachable front camera, which eliminates blind spots caused by sun visors or safety devices. Paired with the rear backup camera, it delivers a complete view of your surroundings. Thanks to WDR technology and Sony IMX307 sensors, it excels in night vision without overexposure. Parking is also easier with auto-adjustable rear view angles and on-screen guidelines. Plus, it features 24-hour parking monitoring with a hardwire kit, locking footage if it detects a collision, all while protecting your battery. If you want a factory-style clean installation, the AutoVox is a fantastic choice. Number 2, VMint VT10 Rear View Mirror Camera. Next up, we have the VMint VT10, a stylish dash cam with a 10-inch full-touch IPS display. This one captures the road in 4K front and 1080p rear video, giving you incredible clarity day and night. A standout feature is its voice control. You can lock recordings, take photos, or adjust settings completely hands-free. It's a safer way to interact with your dash cam while driving. With 170 degrees front and 160 degrees rear wide-angle lenses, blind spots are minimized. The G sensor and parking monitor ensure that your car is protected even when it's parked. If you're looking for an affordable mirror dash cam with 4K clarity and voice commands, the VT10 is an excellent pick. Number 3, Pelsi P12 Plus Wi-Fi Rear View Mirror Camera. The Pelsi P12 Plus is loaded with smart features. It offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording, backed by WDR technology and a wide f1.5 aperture, ensuring clear nighttime performance. It also comes with advanced driver assistance features, ADAS, like lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and even blind spot detection, BSD. These safety features help prevent accidents before they happen. What really sets it apart is the ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which allows you to quickly transfer footage and adjust settings using the Pelsi app. It even comes with a 64 GB memory card included. With a 12-inch display and parking assist, the Pelsi P12 Plus is the perfect option for drivers who want smart technology and safety in one package. Number 4, Wolfbox G930 Rear View Mirror Camera. The Wolfbox G930 is one of the most advanced models in 2025. It delivers 4K front and 1080p rear video, ensuring crystal clear recordings. The screen allows split view mode, so you can monitor both front and rear feeds at the same time. Equipped with WDR technology and a 6-glass lens, it provides sharp imaging even in low light conditions. Plus, the low reflectivity LCD reduces glare during daytime driving. Its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity makes transferring files quick and seamless, while built-in GPS tracking displays real-time speed and direction. With features like loop recording and a reliable G sensor, the Wolfbox G930 ensures your footage is always safe and secure. Number 5, Wolfbox G840S Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera. finally, we have the Wolfbox G840S, a large 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam with superior UHD clarity. Its wider 170-degree front and 140-degree rear angles reduce blind spots significantly. It features HDR and WDR technology, along with a professional-grade sensor for superb night vision. The 2.5D curved screen blends seamlessly into your vehicle's interior, giving it a sleek and modern look. With built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking monitor, and time-lapse mode, the G840S offers a complete all-in-one solution. Plus, the included 32 GB card and external GPS antenna make it ready to use out of the box. If you want a feature-packed mirror dash cam with extra screen size and clarity, the G840S is a top contender. That wraps up our list of the best mirror dash cams in 2025. Whether you want advanced driver assistance, superior 4K clarity, or a factory-style OEM look, there's a perfect option here for you. All product links are available in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching and safe driving.